What's up, everybody? Before we get into today's video, I just want to give you guys a heads up. Around May 10th, I'm going to be recording what is probably my most requested video. Over the years of making YouTube videos, I've gotten a lot of comments from people to basically hear the story of how our companies have gotten to the point of where we are today. Obviously, the companies didn't start out doing what we're doing now, and there has been a lot of growth over the years. So I'm going to sit down with my father and basically interview him. It's going to be more of like a podcast style video. So maybe if you guys enjoy that, I'll venture into the podcast direction. Obviously, we have a lot to talk about, and in this video alone, it might end up being like a two-part video. He started the companies when he was like 16, and obviously there is a ton to talk about in the snow removal world, and then obviously equally as much in the construction world. If you don't know, half the year actually all of the year we're doing the construction end of things. I personally work in the construction end about half of the year because the snow removal is the other half of the year. Most of you guys, I think, watch my channel for the snow removal end, so I might split the video up into one about the snow removal and then one about the construction. I'm not exactly sure yet because they kind of started hand in hand with each other, and then as things grew, they just became their own entities basically, and they just each kept growing independently, but we can't have one without the other. So really, there wouldn't be the snow without the construction, and there wouldn't be the construction without the snow. So I don't really know how the video is going to go. But anyway, my point is, if you have any questions that you want to ask my father, I will ask them on your behalf. Just leave a comment down below. I'm going to do a segment in the video that is basically just asking all of the commenters questions, and I'll make sure that I hit on every single one. So leave a comment if you have a question, and I'll definitely go through them. Anyway, let's get into today's video. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Orange County yard. I just met Rodrigo up here. He has our mason dump with one of the plows off of one of our trucks that we're going to store up here. We're going to use this Skytrak for the first time today since the whole fire incident. To take the plow out of the back of it, throw some weight on the boom here, and make sure that we don't have any issues. Let me start this thing up. We'll let it warm up for a couple minutes, and then we'll meet them over by the rest of our plows. working perfect. It's like nothing ever happened to it. That's kind of the reason why I use the boom, to go all the way out rather than driving the machine farther there. I wanted to get weight on it, extend it all the way out, because we obviously don't want to bring this to a job site and then run into a situation where we have an issue. It's much better to figure that issue out now than later. So I think we're going to be good to go with this machine. The only thing that I noticed with it is this weird clicking noise in the steering wheel, and I don't remember if that was there before the whole fire incident or not, so I'm not sure what that is. It sounds like it's coming right out of the steering column. Yeah, it's pretty weird. All right, the machine is parked, key is put away, and we are ready to get out of here. The reason we brought that plow up here, we are starting to take all of our snowplow trucks apart. We are keeping a few of them geared up and on the road just in case we get a last season snowfall or like a freezing rain or something overnight, or if the temperatures drop and it rains during the day and then we get an ice call. We need to be ready just in case, but the way the weather is looking, plus with the temperatures we've had for the last like 2 weeks or so, it seems like winter is completely over. But we will be bringing more plows up here as the weeks go on and getting all of our trucks ready to go into storage for the summer. It is very nice that this machine is working perfect after it was once on fire. Thankfully, we did not have to go and buy a new machine. We had to make a couple repairs on this, and it is pretty much good to go. That is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.